students. Today we will study about direct and indirect speech. We can report the words of speaker in two ways. Either we quote his actual words, that is called direct speech. If we are quoting his actual words, then it is called direct speech, and if we are reporting whatever he said without quoting his actual words, then it is called indirect or reported speech. Now look at an example. Ram said, I am very busy now. And in indirect, Ram said that he was very busy then. Now see the difference in these two sentences. In the first sentence, we see that the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas, and a comma is also placed after reporting verb. This is reporting verb, and here comma is also placed. And the first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. This is the reported speech, and the first letter begins with a capital letter. And in indirect speech, we see that there are no inverted commas. They are removed, and the comma is also removed, and we join the sentence by using that. A conjunction is added by using that, and the verb is also changed. See here, I am, and the verb is changed into past tense. Present tense is changed into past tense. Now see, there are two parts of a sentence in the direct speech: the reporting verb and reported speech. The first part, Ram said, means before the comma. Left hand side part is called reporting verb, and the later part, that is right hand side part, which is in inverted commas, is called reported speech. I am very busy now. It is reported speech. Look at another example. She said to me, I am going home. So she said to me is called reporting verb, and the later part, I am going home, is called reported speech. See, what are the rules for changing direct speech into indirect? When the reporting verb is in the past tense. Now see, reporting verb, it is in the past tense. How did you come to know? By looking at the word said. It is in past tense. So when the reporting verb is in the past tense, the following rules are observed in changing direct speech into indirect. Now, according to the rule number 1, all present tenses of the direct speech are changed into the corresponding past tenses. Again, I am repeating, all present tenses of the direct speech are changed into the corresponding past tenses. Thus, corresponding past tenses means if a sentence is in simple present, then you will use simple past in indirect, and if a sentence is in present continuous, then you will use in past continuous, and if a sentence is in present perfect tense, then you will be using past perfect tense, like this. Now look at the rule number 1 is again divided into parts. First one, a simple present becomes a simple past. See the example, indirect speech. He said, I am unwell. Now how did you come to know that it is in simple present tense? See the reported speech. You have to look at the reported speech also and reported verb also. Reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in simple present. I am. Am is used in simple present tense. So when you convert this into indirect, you will be using the formula. You will be using the verb in simple past only. In indirect speech, the answer will be he said, and you will remove the comma in inverted commas and use conjunction that to join the sentence. He said that, and I will be changed according to the speaker. I will be changed into he, and tense will be changed. Simple present will be converted to simple past tense. He was unwell. Look at another example in direct speech. Anil said, Satish swims daily. Now again I am telling you, from here you will come to know that reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present tense. The verb here is in present tense, swims. And when you convert the sentence into indirect speech, then Anil said that Satish, and you have to use second form of the verb here, swam. Simple past, you are converting simple present into simple past here. Satish swam daily. Look at another rule. Present continuous becomes a past continuous. If the reported speech is in present continuous, then it is changed into past continuous. Look at the example. In direct speeches, he said, Anand is working hard. See, from here you will come to know that it is in present continuous. Is MR plus verb plus ing shows that the sentence is in present continuous tense. And when you will be converting into indirect, then you have to use past continuous. Means is MR will be converted to was were and verb plus ing. In indirect, he said that, you will join here by using that, remove the commas and inverted comma, and Anand will be converted to was. Anand was working hard. Look at another example in direct speech. He said, the boys are playing. From here you come to know that it is in the present continuous tense, are playing. So in indirect speech, he said that the boys, now it is plural, boys, so you will use were here. You will be converting into past continuous, and in past continuous with plural we will use were playing. Another rule of number 1, a present perfect becomes a past perfect. I told you the present tenses are converted to corresponding past tenses. So present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Now look at an example in direct speech. He said, I have passed the examination. Now how did you come to know that it is present perfect? In present perfect the formula is has, have plus third form of the verb. So see here, have and third form of the verb. So you will come to know that it is in present perfect and you have to convert it into past perfect. And the formula for past perfect is had plus V3. So the answer will be, he said that, then I told you I will be converted according to the speaker. He, then past perfect had, and third form past. He had passed the examination. Look at another example. Peter said, Bali has done his work. Again see the formula, has plus third form of the verb. Do is the verb, do, did and done. Done is the third form. Has plus V3 is here. So it is in present perfect tense. And while converting into indirect, you will use past perfect. Had plus third form of the verb. So the answer will be, Peter said that Bali had done his work.